Hey guys, it's Brooklyn, and today I'm going to teach you how to make slime. This is the original slime. Last time I taught you how to make slime without borax, but today we're using borax. So what you will need is you'll need borax, a bowl, any kind, a cup of water, I already have it measured out, some glue. I'm using gel glue because I'm all out of food coloring. So, well, I have some food coloring, just like this color. So I was like, okay. You need 1 bottle of it. You'll need a teaspoon. It's in here somewhere. Something to stir with. I'm using popsicle sticks. So let's get started. You're going to take your glue, pour in glue, all your glue, or how much you want. I'm going to use my whole bottle. I can't get the rest out, so I'm going to fill the whole bottle with some water. Hot water. Hot water. Then you're just going to place the cap back on and shake it up. I like doing slime videos. So I think it's good now. And pour the whole thing in. Just to get all that glue out. It actually helps, because I don't want to waste any glue. People nowadays really like slime. Is it raining outside? I guess not. So I got all out that I could get out. So now I'm just going to, 1 second. I have some funfetti. You don't have to use it. I'm just going to use some to give it more of a color. Then I'm going to stir it up. You could use whatever kind of glue you want. You could use clear, white. I have some white over there. It doesn't have that much in it, but I have some. I'm going to stir it up until it is one decent color. You can have food coloring. All I have is purple, green, and pink. The blue, I've used it all because the blue is such a pretty color. But this, I really like the color for this. It's real pretty. So this is what it should look like. It should look something like this. One solid color. Next, this is the fun part. I'm going to take your teaspoon. and put our borax to your teaspoon. It's really hard to get this. Okay, so I can't get it. So I'm going to rip it. That should be better. I have my teaspoon, then I'm just going to pour my whole teaspoon into my 1 cup of water. So I added it, and now you want to stir it up real well. Make sure it's hot water. It's okay if you use cold water. It just will dissolve fast, or if it's hot water. Okay, I think it's dissolved now. And so you want to add your borax solution. Just add a little bit at a time. So it should start forming real fast. I'm going to pour some more. Now I'm going to start playing. Let's start playing. It's real stringy right now, but that's okay. We're just going to have fun playing with it. So next, whenever it's still like real sticky, you want to just add it to your borax solution. This is just if your slime is still real sticky. Just add the whole thing to your water. Then you just want to start mixing. So I'm going to have my mom come in here for a second. So I'm just going to start mixing. Mom, can you come in here for a second? Mom! Mom! She's coming. So this is what the slime looks like. It's not all of it. I still have some in there. So it's time to play.